Tired of slow hair growth? Let's change that. Okay, period. We've all been there staring in the mirror like, girl, why you playing? But listen, sis, achieving those hair goals doesn't have to feel like a never-ending saga. We're diving deep into some unique, lesser-known tips specifically for my melanin poppin' queens out there. So, if you're ready to transform those edges and get that healthy, luxurious hair you've always dreamed of, buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to unlock the secrets to hair growth like you've never seen. It's time to ditch the wigs and weaves for a hot minute and give our natural crown the TLC it deserves. Trust me, sis, your hair will be thanking you for it. Let's get this growth poppin'. All right, let's talk about the foundation of healthy hair growth. The scalp, honey. Think of your scalp as the soil where your hair grows. Just like you need fertile ground for plants to flourish, your scalp needs love and attention too. That's where scalp massages come in, boo. A good scalp massage is like a spa day for your head, stimulating blood flow and delivering all those yummy nutrients to your hair follicles. And no, you don't need to book an expensive appointment for this. Just use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp in circular motions for at least 5 minutes a day, preferably with a little bit of oil. Trust me, your scalp will be singing your praises, and your hair will be thanking you for it. Now let's talk about a little secret that's been passed down for generations, my grandma's secret weapon, rice water. Yes, you heard right. That cloudy water left over from rinsing rice is like liquid gold for your hair. Rice water is packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that strengthen hair strands, reduce breakage, and promote hair growth. It's like giving your hair a tall glass of green juice, but way cheaper, honey. So next time you're cooking rice, don't you dare throw away that water. Let it cool, pour it over your hair after shampooing, massage it in, let it sit for a few minutes, and rinse. Your hair will be so soft, shiny, and strong, you'll be thanking Grandma for this ancient secret. Chapter 3. Listen, we all love to experiment with different hairstyles, but constant manipulation and styling can lead to breakage and damage, especially for us curly-haired queens. That's why protective styles are our best friends. Think of protective styles like giving your hair a break from all the stress of daily styling. Braids, twists, locks, wigs, weaves, the options are endless. The key is to choose styles that protect your ends from friction and minimize manipulation. And when you're taking down those protective styles, please, I beg you, be gentle. Ripping and tearing at your hair will undo all the good work you've done. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to hair growth. Chapter 4. Now, let's talk about the power of aromatherapy, baby. Essential oils not only smell divine, but can also work wonders for your hair growth. Peppermint oil, with its tingling sensation, stimulates blood flow to the scalp, promoting hair growth. Rosemary oil, on the other hand, strengthens hair follicles, reducing hair loss. And let's not forget about lavender oil, which soothes the scalp and promotes a healthy environment for hair growth. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oils to your carrier oil or hair products, and let the magic happen. Your hair will be smelling like a tropical paradise while growing like a weed. Chapter 5. Now, let's talk about what you put inside your body, because real hair growth starts from within, sis. Just like your body needs the right nutrients to function properly, so does your hair. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is crucial for healthy hair growth. Think of it this way. You wouldn't put regular gas in a Ferrari, right? So why put junk food in your body when you deserve premium fuel for that crown? Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, load up on biotin-rich foods like eggs and nuts, and don't forget your leafy greens for iron. Remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy body. Outro. So, there you have it, my loves. 5 unique and effective tips to accelerate your hair growth journey. Remember, consistency is key, sis. Don't expect miracles overnight. Be patient, be kind to your hair, and trust the process. I want to hear all about your hair growth journey. Try out these tips and let me know in the comments how they work for you. And don't be shy. Share your own hair growth secrets too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tips. Until next time, stay beautiful.